Hey everyone, so this is Dr. Lowell Sala, the organizer of NYC Emerging Healthcare Technology, and together with my team, won the Well Cornell Award at the 2018 New York City MIT Grand Hackathon Hacking Medicine and the 2018 Techstars Competition Blockchain Edition. I'm a digital health specialist, and on this channel, I'll be showing you videos on health, technology, and lifestyle every single week. And on this channel, you will learn how to apply these emerging new technologies like blockchain, AI, machine learning, web development, and even virtual reality in healthcare. So make sure to subscribe for new content and comment below to introduce yourself.